In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Royal Bank of Scotland online banking. Managing your finances online can offer convenience and ease. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps of signing into your RBS online banking account. Let's get started. First, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the login page. You can do this by typing in the web address, which is https www.digitalbanking.rbs.co.uk. Alternatively, you can go to the main website at rbs.co.uk and look for the Login button. This will take you directly where you need to be, ready to enter your details. Once you're on the login page, you will need to enter two key pieces of information. You can choose between your customer number or your card number. Make sure to type in these details carefully to avoid any errors, then click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now you will be prompted to enter specific characters from your PIN and password. It's important to note that RBS will ask you for a few specific characters rather than your entire PIN or password, which adds an extra layer of security. Take your time with this step to ensure accuracy, and once you've entered the requested characters, click Next to continue. At this stage, some extra verification might be required for added security. RBS may send a verification code to your registered phone number, or they might request that you use your card reader. Be sure to check your phone for a message if a code is needed, and enter this code promptly to complete the verification process. If a card reader is required, follow the on-screen instructions for its use. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be signed into your Royal Bank of Scotland online banking account, ready to manage your finances with ease. Remember that keeping your login details secure is crucial, so avoid sharing them and consider changing your passwords periodically for better security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have more questions or need further assistance. Happy banking!